Welcome back to another video, and in this video we will talk about PHP sessions. So actually why we use sessions actually keeps data for the users. Let's say a user visit different page, so session actually helps to keep user information that the same user actually is going to access all the page or not. To keep a single user information, we just use session. So I will create two file here, so one for the session and another one will be to test the session actually, how session actually works. Okay, so for the first one I will say session.php and the second one will be session test.php. Let's say session test.php. so session have a global variable that is called $_session, SESSI1 session, like this. And let's say I want to set a variable name. Let's say I want to set name, and I will say here Yamin. Let's say Yamin. Every session actually start with a function. If you set that function, then session will be start. So I will say here session_start. Now actually session will be start. Now you can access this session variable, otherwise you cannot access this session variable. And here you can see we have set a name and there is Yamin. Now let's say I want to paste this session inside this session test. So what I have to do here, I have to write here PHP script like this, and here I will say that echo I want to paste this session. So session from the previous page is, so let's say I want to paste print this session here. So I will say here session and it's the name. If I say here localhost / test PHP session, right? Our first file name was session.php. So this is our file. So now our session actually start. Now if I go to the next file, and that is session test.php, right? And here you can see warning. It's saying that undefined global variables, right? Why actually this? Because we didn't start here session, right? So we have to start here session first, because we know to start a session we just have to use a function that is called session start, right? So we have to say here session start. Now it will work. And if I refresh, so let me just zoom in. Here you can see a session from the previous page is Yamin. If you want to unset the session, let's say I want to now change the session name from Yamin to Tanvir. Let's say name is Tanvir. So I have to say here session unset function. Now if I refresh, if I go to the session.php, so we have start session, and if I go to the session test.php, here you can see session from previous page is Tanvir, because when I access this page, it actually start a session, then it sets session name Yamin, and then the session name was Yamin, right here. And when I actually set here session unset, right, and that time it actually removed this session, and then it set new session as Tanvir. And that's why now here you can see when we echo, it's saying that session from the previous page is Tanvir, because we destroyed our previous session, right? Okay, we unset our previous session, right? Okay, But let's say we want to destroy a session. So how can you do this? So if you want to destroy session, let's say you don't want any session, you don't want to keep any session, so you just have to say here session destroy, this method. Now let's say I want to create one more session here, let's say this one, and I will say here wasi. Now let's say what happened. If I go to the previous page, let's say session.php. Now if I go to the next page, that is session test.php. Now see, we have session from the previous page, but there is no session. So we should have here say Yamin or Tanvir, right? But there is nothing because we destroy our session here. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video.